All right, hey, what's up, guys? It's Roy here, and today I have an official Apple MagSafe clear case here for the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. I did pick this bad boy up for $49 on Amazon, so if you do like this case and want to purchase it, please do follow the affiliate link down in the description because I will earn a small commission from that purchase if you do follow my link. So I just started that, so really appreciate it. It will help fund my channel and keep this video content coming. So with the case here, you have a clear case, as you can see. Now on the front of the box, you do have the picture of the case. You do have the circle there for the MagSafe, and then of course it says iPhone 12/12 Pro, clear case, MagSafe. And then on the back, a little bit of some literature, just says iPhone 12 clear case. If you don't know how to put a case on, they show you how to do that and all that. So pretty easy to get it out. You literally just pull this up and then slide it on out. And there is some paperwork in the box, so nothing really to care about. And that's it. So the case is inside of this here, so you just pop it out there, and then that's it. So there's the clear case there, so nothing special. Obviously, the only main difference is going to be the MagSafe ring there. So that's a big difference as far as a clear case goes. And then that's the inside of it. So as far as some branding goes, it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And then it has, yeah, so that's it. So just kind of says MagSafe and all that. At the bottom of it does have a cutout where the lightning port and speaker grills are, but then everything else is completely covered with the bumper. So let me go ahead and grab my iPhone 12 here. So I have the black iPhone 12, but I do have a honeycomb skin on there. So I'm pretty anxious to see how it looks with this case. So basically just slap it in the corners there and push in, and you're immediately greeted with that there. So it gives you a MagSafe animation that shows that it is on a MagSafe case or an official MagSafe case. So it gave that animation there. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the case itself on the phone. So as you can see with the black honeycomb there, it looks really cool because this is a very transparent case here. So as you can see the honeycomb very good, and it just looks clean, especially with the Apple logo perfectly centered in the middle of the ring there for the MagSafe. Now, as far as the lip goes around the camera bump, it does have a pretty generous little lip there, considering this is a very thin case. So if you do put it rear down or back down, then you do have the confidence of knowing your camera lenses aren't going to get super scratched up. Now, there is a little bit of a shake. So if you do care about that, that does have a little bit of a wobble if you do put it back down, but that's to be expected with the camera bump there. Now you do have the power button there, so it's a clear power button to match everything. Like I said, the bottom is cut out, so that is completely exposed. So I personally prefer it not to be this way. I prefer it to have a complete cover and have the precise cutouts for the speaker grill and the lightning port, but that's what they decided to do on this one. And then of course you got your clear volume up and down buttons. You got your cutout for your alert slider. And then, like I said, then let's go ahead and take a peek at this. Then you do have that MagSafe ring there. So yeah, it looks really cool. It's really, really clear. And I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but it's a very clear case. So it looks really, really good in the hand. So let's go ahead and do the button test real quick. So let's go ahead and do the power button first. Now let's go ahead and do the volume up and down. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the alert slider. So pretty easy to do there, no problems at all. So one thing to point out is the power button, really easy to do. The up button was a little bit harder to push than the down. So for volume up, a little bit harder to push. I don't know why. But it is very tacky regardless. It's just you notice a little bit more resistance with the volume up versus the volume down. Not sure why. But let's go ahead and grab my MagSafe charger here. Let's go ahead and throw it on. Instantly grabs, instantly gives you the animation. So this bad boy is on there really good. So I mean, it instantly grabs as soon as I put it on. So that's really good. It should obviously do that. I would be very annoyed if it didn't do that. But with it being a MagSafe case with a MagSafe charger, you would automatically think it would grab. And just to go ahead and do that, I have it dangling there. I'm shaking it pretty good, and it's not coming off. There it went. That's after doing it pretty vigorously. I mean, I was shaking it really hard. So for the test there, it will fall off if you do decide to shake it, but who in their right mind is going to do that just for fun? But it will fall off if you care to know that. So there you go, guys. There is the official Apple MagSafe clear case for the iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. But like I said, follow my affiliate link down below if you do want to purchase this. I really do like this phone case. Yeah, I mean, it's an Apple product, so it's meant to be perfect for this phone. So there you go, guys. Comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.